Namaste, welcome to the online class. Dear students, in the came up of a last problem, we have formed an octet and two quads and a pair. Here, if we form a pair using 12th square and 13th square, that pair will become redundant group. In the previous classes, we have seen redundant groups. What is redundant group? Redundant group is a group whose all the ones are overlapped by other groups. See, if we form a pair using 12th square and 13th square, this pair will become redundant group because all the ones of that square are overlapped by two quads, quad 1 and quad 2. So, we will not include that pair by reduction. We shall continue the problems. Given f of a, b, c, d is equal to sigma of 0, 2, 4, 6, 10, 14, reduce it by using K-map. As four variables are A, B, C, D, so we shall draw 16 square K-map. A, B, C, D. A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B bar, A, B, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15, 14. Next step is filling the map. 0, 2, 4, 6, 10, 14. And fill the remaining squares with the zeros. Next step, forming the groups. While forming the groups, first search for octets. So there are no 8 adjacent ones. Next search for quads. There are 4 adjacent ones. Using those ones we can form a quad. See here, using 2nd, 6th, 14th and 10th square we can form a quad. From quad 1, that is by using M2 plus M6 plus M14 plus M10. Next we shall write the corresponding minterms. Minterm of a second square is A bar, B bar, C, D bar. A bar, B bar, C, D bar plus M6 A bar, B, C, D bar. A bar, B, C, D bar plus M14 A, B, C, D bar. A, B, C, D bar plus M10 A, B bar, A, B bar, C, D bar. A, B bar, C, D bar. Next, shall write the common variables. A bar not common, B bar not common, C. Yes, C is a common variable. Next D bar. D bar is common. So from quad 1 we got the minterm CD bar. So minterm means product of all the literals. Next, see here, when we roll the map from left to right or from right to left, once in the 0th square, 4th square, 2nd square and 6th square will become adjacent or contiguous. So using those squares we can form a quad. When we roll the map from left to right or right to left, we can form quad. So from quad 2, by using M0, M4, M2, M6. Zeroth minterm A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Minterm of 0th square A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar plus M4 A bar, B, C bar, D bar, A bar, B, C bar, D bar. Second minterm A bar, B bar, C, D bar plus M6 A bar, B, C, D bar. Common variables A bar, next B bar is not common, next C bar not common, D bar, yes, D bar is common. So from quad 2 we got A bar, D bar. So final reduced SOP expression CD bar plus A bar, D bar. Here quads are overlapped. We can see overlapped quads. What is overlapping? Overlapping means same one can be encircled more than once. Here once in the second square and sixth square are included in the first quad as well as in the second quad. So this is the final reduced SOP expression. In map rolling, when we roll the map, opposite edges squares will become adjacent. Here when we roll the map from left to right or from right to left, once in the 0th square, 4th square, 2nd square and 6th square will become adjacent or contiguous. Next problem, given f of a, b, c, d is equal to sigma of 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, reduce it by using K-map. Zero, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14 and 15. We shall draw 4 variable K-map. There would be 16 squares. A, B, C, D. A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar, and corresponding binary values are 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6 8 9 11 10 12 13 15 14. Now 0th, 2nd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 10th, 12th, 13th, 14th and 15th squares are having the max terms leads to output 1. So fill those squares with 1s and remaining squares with zeros. 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Fill the remaining squares with the zeros. Now search for octates. Yes, there are 8 adjacent ones. Using those ones we can form an octate from octate 1 m4 plus m5 plus m7 plus m6 plus m12 plus m13 plus m15 plus m14. Corresponding minterms are minterm of 4th square a bar b c bar d bar, a bar b c bar d bar plus m5 a bar b c bar d, a bar b c bar d plus m7 a bar b c d, a bar b c d plus m6 a bar b c d bar, a bar b c d bar plus m12 a b c bar d bar, a b c bar d bar plus m13 a b c bar d, a b c bar d plus m15 a b c d plus m14 a b c d bar. Next, common variables a bar not common. Next, b, yes, b is common in all the minterms, so write the variable b. Next, c bar not common, d bar is also not common, so from octet 1 we got literal b. Next, we can form another octet by rolling the map. When you roll the map from left to right or from right to left, once in the 0th, 4th, 12th, 8th and 2nd, 6th, 14th, 10th square will become adjacent or contiguous. So using those ones we can form another octet. From octet 2, that is map rolling octet, from map rolling octet, from map rolling octet or from octet 2. So we shall write from octet 2 by using 0, 4, 12, 8, m0 plus m4 plus m12 plus m8 plus m2 4 14 10, m2 plus m6 m14 plus 10. Minterms are M0, A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar plus M4, A bar, B, C bar, D bar, A bar, B, C bar, D bar plus M12, A, B, C bar, D bar, A, B, C bar, D bar plus M8, A, B bar, C bar, D bar, A, B bar, C bar, D bar plus M2, A bar, B bar, C, D bar, A bar, B bar, C, D bar plus M6, A bar, B, C, D bar, A bar, B, C, D bar plus M14, A, B, C, D bar, A, B, C, D bar plus M10, A, B bar, C, D bar, A, B bar, C, D bar. Common variables, A bar not common, next B bar not common, C bar not common, next D bar. Yes, D bar is a common variable, write the variable D bar. So from octet 1 we got literal B, from octet 2 or from map rolling octet we got the literal D bar. So final reduced SOP expression or sum of product expression is B plus D bar. B plus D bar. Next we shall move on to the next topic, that is POS reduction using K-map. Till now we have studied SOP reduction using K-map. POS reduction, that is product of a sum reduction using K-map. The students, in POS reduction note 4 points. First point, each square of a K-map represents a max term. Second point, for a function with n variables, map would represent two to the power n squares. And complemented letters represents ones and uncomplemented letters represent zeros. Map is filled by placing zeros in the squares whose max term leads to output 0 and fill remaining squares with ones. So first point, each square of a K-map represents a max term. In SOP reduction, each square of a K-map represents min term. For a function with n variables, map would represent 2 to the power n squares. If there are 2 variables in the function, value of n will be 2. So 2 to the power n, that is equal to 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. For 2 variables, there would be 4 squares. If there are 3 variables, if value of n is 3, 2 to the power 3, that is equal to 8. If there are 3 variables, then map would represent 8 squares. If value of n is 4, 2 to the power n, 2 to the power value of n is 4, that is equal to 16. If there are 4 variables in the function, then there would be 16 squares in the K-map. And third point, complemented letters represent ones and uncomplimented letters represent zeros. For example, if x is a variable, x represent 0 and x bar represent 1. That is, complemented letters represent ones. See here, x is a complemented variable, so it represents ones, and uncomplimented letters represent zeros. Here value of x will be 0. In SOP reduction, complemented letter represent 0 and uncomplimented letter represent 1. So in SOP reduction, complemented letter represent 0 and uncomplimented letter represent ones. In POS reduction, uncomplimented letter represent 0 and complemented letter represent ones. And in POS reduction, map is filled by placing zeros in the square whose max term leads to output 0 and fill the remaining squares with ones. In SOP reduction, map is filled by placing ones in the squares whose min term leads to output 1 and fill the remaining squares with zeros. Now we shall draw 2 variable K-map representing max term, 3 variable K-map representing max term, and 4 variable K-map representing max terms. Is 2 variable K-map representing max terms. variable. So value of n is 2. N value is 2. Then there would be 2 to the power n squares. Value of n is 2. So 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. Map would represent 4 squares. If x and y are the variables, x bar represent 1 and x represent 0. Y bar represent 1 and y represent 0. In SOP reduction, x bar represent 0, x represent 1, y bar represent 0 and y represent 1. We shall write the binary values 0, 1. If x and y are the variables, 0, 1. So here binary value is 0. 0 means x. 0 means x. 1 means x bar. 0. 0 represent x. Here 1, that is x bar. Next, variable y. Y bar represent 1. And numbers of the squares are 0, 1, 2, 3. In POS reduction, each square represents max term. Max term means sum of all the literals. So max term of 0th square is x plus y. Sum of all the literals x, y, x plus y. Now max term of first square x plus y bar. X plus y bar. Next, max term of second square x bar plus y. X bar plus y. X bar plus y. Max term of third square is x bar plus y bar. So this is general 2 variable K-map representing max term. In POS reduction, complemented letters represents ones and uncomplimented letters represents zeros. In SOP reduction, complemented letters represents zeros and uncomplimented letters represents ones. So this is 2 variable K-map representing max term. Binary values are 0, 1. So x represent 0, x bar represent 1. Here y represent 0, y bar represent 1. Y bar is complemented, so its value is 1. Next we shall draw 3 variable K-map representing max terms. For 3 variables, n value is 3, 2 to the power n, 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. So there would be 8 squares in the K-map. Variables are x, y, z. Binary values are 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, Here the variables are y, z, y, z. X here, x is uncomplemented variable that represent 0. Next 1. Value of x bar is 1. Next 0, 0, 0, 0, that is y plus z, y plus z. Next 0, 0 means y plus value of z bar is 1. Next 1 y bar plus z bar. 1 1 y bar plus z bar. Next 1 0 y bar plus z. Here y is complemented, so its value is 1. Z is uncomplemented, so its value is 0. Here value of y bar is 1, z bar is 1. Y is 0, z bar is 1. Y is 0, z is 0. Both the variables are uncomplemented. So values are 0, 0. Next numbers of the square are 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. And max terms are x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z. Max term of first square x plus y plus z bar. Max term of third square x plus y bar plus z bar. Max term of second square x plus y bar plus z bar. Sorry, y bar plus z. Next, max term of fourth square x bar plus y plus z. Max term of fifth square x bar plus y plus z bar. Next, x bar plus y bar plus z bar. Next, x bar plus y bar plus z. So this is three variable K-map representing max term. Here each square of the K-map represents a max term. Max term means a sum of all the literals. Here you can see the sum of all the literals with or without bar. In SOP K-map we will see min terms. Min term means product of all the literals with or without bar. So this is three variable K-map representing max terms. Next we shall see four variable K-map representing max terms. Four variables, value of n is 4, 2 to the power n, value of n is 4, 2 to the power 4 is 16, so map would represent 16 squares. A, B, C, D, and binary values are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Numbers of the squares are 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. A plus B, A is uncomplemented, so its value is 0, B is uncomplemented, value is 0. Next 0, 1, that is A plus B bar. Next 1, 1, A bar plus B bar. Next 1, 0, A bar plus B. 0, 0, C plus D. 0, 1, C plus D bar. D is complemented, so its value is 1. Next C bar plus D bar. Next C bar plus D. Now we shall write the corresponding max terms. Max term of 0th square, A plus B plus C plus D. Next A plus B plus C plus D bar. A plus B plus C plus D bar. Next A plus B plus C bar plus D bar. Next A plus B plus C bar plus D. Next A plus B bar, A plus B bar plus C plus D. Next A plus B bar plus C plus D bar. Next A plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar. Next A plus B bar plus C bar plus D. Next A bar plus B bar plus C plus D. Next A bar plus B bar plus C plus D bar. Next A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar. Next A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D. Next A bar plus B plus C plus D plus A bar plus B plus C plus D. Next A bar plus B plus C plus D bar. Next A bar plus B plus C bar plus D bar. And max term of 10th square, A bar plus B plus C bar plus D. So this is the 4 variable K-map representing max terms. So in POS reduction, each square of the K-map represents max term. For a function with n variables, there would be 2 to the power n squares, and complemented letters represents ones and uncomplemented letters represents zeros. And map is filled by placing zeros in the squares whose max terms leads to output 0, and remaining squares should be filled with ones. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.